So long casting micro jigs is really productive with me. Really productive. I mean, I use the same bait under a slip float, but I cover more water with this. Fish on. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Literally ripped the rod from my hand. Nice. Oh yeah, I gotta time the majors more.